take an example. 34 plus 23. Okay? This is units place and this is tens place. Okay, now look at the units place. How many units are there in first number? 4. So let's take quantities for units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units. Now, which is the number in tens place? 3. Let's take quantities for tens. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens. Okay, now first number is complete. Now, let's move to the next number. Which number is at units place? 3. Let's take quantities for units. 3 units. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. Now, look at the number at tens place. 2. Let's take the quantities for tens place. 1 ten, 2 tens. Okay? Now, our numbers are complete. We have to add these numbers. Mix units, quantities and let's count. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units. Write 7 in units place. Now mix the quantities of tens and let's count. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Now write the number at tens place. So the answer is 57. What is the answer?